You may have heard of the Met Office on television, radio, in the newspapers and online. However, you may not know that we produce a weather forecast for the UK 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. In fact, we issue a weather forecast every second of every day, far beyond the services that make us a household name. But who exactly is the Met Office? What is it that we do? And what services do we provide, not just for the UK, but across the globe? In this short video, we'll explain who the Met Office is and what we do. The Met Office is the UK's National Weather Service. We have a long history of weather forecasting and have been working in the area of climate change science for more than 2 decades. We are a trading fund within the Department for Business, Innovation and Skills, and we operate on a commercial basis with set targets to meet. For over 150 years, we have pioneered the science that makes today's advanced weather and climate forecasting possible. But how did the Met Office begin and who created it? The Met Office was established as a small part of the Board of Trade in 1854 by Vice Admiral Robert Fitzroy. Its aim was to research the possibilities of forecasting the weather, mainly to protect the safety of ships and their crews at sea. Fitzroy developed the first storm warning service, achieved by using canvas-covered frames in different shapes to alert ships to dangers. He also pioneered techniques for forecasting weather, such as synoptic charts, where weather observations taken at the same time were drawn on a map to aid forecasting, a technique still used today. Fitzroy's work laid the foundations for the Met Office's future at the forefront of this new science and the innovation in providing services to the public. Fitzroy pioneered the first ever public weather forecast, published in the Times newspaper on the 1st of August 1861, beginning 150 years of the Met Office forecasting for the nation. Since the very beginning, the Met Office has been providing accurate weather forecasts when it matters. Every day, our forecasts help keep airlines flying safely and efficiently, roads open and flowing freely, and railway lines free of debris and seafarers safe in UK waters. We help utilities companies keep the power on and the insurance industry stay on top of risks. It's also thanks to us that major sporting events and festivals can run on time, and that is just the tip of the iceberg. Organisations around the world use our computer models in their forecasts, and we work hand in hand with the armed forces, providing vital information to keep Britain's troops safe. You might not know that we also provide forecasts for a number of natural hazards in the UK, such as the distribution of volcanic ash and the animal disease, blue tongue. But our scientists don't just provide weather forecasts. We explore the many different aspects of weather and climate science. That means studying different influences on the environment, from the behaviour of plankton and the effects of deforestation to the impacts of the urban heat islands and changes in solar output. When we say our work is worldwide, we mean it covers everything from the seabed to the edge of space. This vast amount of data is then tailored to meet the needs of governments and businesses across the globe. The Met Office Hadley Centre, opened in 1990 by the then Prime Minister Margaret Thatcher, undertakes world-class research into the science of our climate and provides a focus in the UK for scientific issues associated with climate change. Our scientists here at the Met Office make significant contributions to peer-reviewed literature and to a variety of climate change reports, including the assessment reports of the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. We advise on the impacts that a changing climate might have on energy, health, flooding and coastal defences, farming, water and food security across the globe, and we are commissioned by government to provide the scientific evidence on which policy decisions can be based. We aim to continually improve our forecast accuracy through research and investment in state-of-the-art satellites and supercomputer technology. Our 4-day forecast is now as accurate as our 1-day forecast was only 30 years ago. 80% of our next day maximum temperature forecasts are within 2 degrees, and we are consistently one of the top 2 operational weather forecasters in the world. When we say our science is world leading, we mean it. We are consistently one of the top 2 national weather forecasters in the world, as well as the leading geosciences research centre. For more information on what we do and the science behind how we do it, why not visit the Met Office website at www.metoffice.gov.uk.